Well, here we are. Tiffany's birthday, the day after. Yes?
Hi.
Hi. Say hello. Dad's got both kids. Look at him.
There he is.
Turn
around.
Look at Dad feeding both those kids. Whoa.
Now he's gonna let them fight for
You doing two for the price of one?
Double header.
Which one?
The next one.
Pasta.
Hello.
Hello.
You have a nice time today?
Yeah.
That's a little scratch under your eye.
Najee scratched me.
Did he knock your teeth out too?
No.
No. Joe did not. I can't believe that. Joe, how's the beef?
Get that camera off me now.
How's the beef?
Get the camera off me.
It's not on you. All right. I'm gonna get some food now.
Okay.
All right. See you soon. Aw. Hey, Tiff.
I want that picture. Hey, Tiffany. I want that picture.
Oh.
You know what it was? Getting the grade.
Ma, big change from last year, huh?
You know, well, I'm getting unbeknownst to me, you know, anchor down, right in between the slats of the board. Yay!
Say peekaboo.
John's got us all. I don't know what to cry.
Okay, Michael.
Look at this, honey. Look at this.
You got the ketchup.
He's got the ketchup.
So I have him trained.
Michael, there's an open one inside. That one's not open. There's an open one.
That's open.
Just kidding. Hello.
What are you, Dirty?
Thank you. Enjoy.
Oh, this is good. That's great, John.
You enjoying yourself?
I'm having such a good time.
Are you? It's good to see you again. I think.
Get away, Oliver.
Hey! Richard! Hey, Richie. Dad, he hit me.
He hit you?
Yeah.
After you finish filming, I'll hit him back.
Hit him now. Oh.
He can have it back.
Oh, you guys all right?
All right.
Yeah?
Thank you.
How come we both wearing hats?
We're both bald.
Oh, I see. All right. See you soon. What's going on over here?
Oh, who's that?
What's going on over here?
Daddy, where are you?
Hey, what's going on? Clap hands. You having fun? So, have you had a good day? Excuse me. Elizabeth, you having a good time? Yeah? And we have...
Oh, well, listen, John.
Yes, yes.
Why?
What's...
Marilyn.
This is my
Come here.
This is my
Come
big
here.
sister, and I look bigger than her. Oh,
So,
it is.
Rabbit,
Oh, look.
come here.
Oh, we're growing.
Marilyn, come here.
This is my baby sister. These are twins.
Yeah.
You guys that
Oh, I see.
Hi.
Uh,
Hi.
Hold
Why
on.
are you so far away? I'm family.
Oh.
Next generation.
And it's growing. Who's the next oldest?
My goodness.
Probably Susan.
No, get in Put your hat on. Put your face.
Come on.
Hey there, what's happening? It's a
We're
great
gonna have
All right.
time here.
Oh, that's
Who's the
motion
lady?
And Sarah in her shirt of many colors.
I want to say, Johnny and Barbara, you are great host and hostess.
Thank you.
And the property's fantastic. And we're so
Thank
proud
you.
of you.
We hope you guys had a nice day.
And this should be an annual event.
I'm glad
The
you had
last
your son.
Saturday in June every year.
Every year.
The last Saturday in June.
What was the name of that show?
So,
The last Monday in every blah, blah, blah.
Oh.
Hey, hi in there. Hello.
Suddenly all the paparazzi
I
converge.
love coming here. Yeah.
God bless you.
Speak for yourself. Ma.
Oh. Everybody else is nonplussed. Hey, Matthew.
What a great looking bunch, I tell you.
Matthew. Hiya.
What are you doing with chop meat?
Huh?
What are you doing with the meat?
I don't know.
You giving care packages out?
Sure, take it, please.
Hey, Joe? Yo, picked you up, huh? Hey, Tip, this is beautiful.
Got it? Put one on his forehead.
Very
When he
nice.
gets lost, they know where he belongs.
Oh, that's a great idea.
We'll put it on every piece of
Everything. What's this? Oh, it's your
Is that his first video?
first video.
All right.
Learning to share. Yay!
We could use that too, the adults.
I mean, it wasn't the thing up the Playgirls?
Actually, I think it had my name on it. Learning to share.
Hey, we could take some information out of this too. It'll be very
Tom,
helpful.
not too long, please.
So Mike said, put it on his forehead. In case you get Oh, Sesame Street.
Look at Amy.
Hiya there. Hiya there. Tom? Okay.
Look at that. Now the theatrics. Boy, I tell you, get them in front of the camera and they all their talent comes out.
And Demi
No,
Moore
it's
goes.
not really true. I usually shy away from that.
I know, but you
Hey,
all of a sudden
listen, when
you're...
you get
Look
drunk,
at that, big smile all over the place. The bottom is a piece of rubber.
Okay. Ready?
He likes it, but then what is going on?
Oh, boy, look at that.
What did it shoot you? Oh, wow.
Whoa! That's very clever. Spin around train.
Dude, did you guys go shopping with her and said, you know what, I think you would like that? Yes.
Spin around.
From,
In Edmonds Days, we had lots of practice. They're developing Kevin loves to play with it. And again and again.
You want to hold it?
Because things that happen.
That's the next one?
No, they're delighted when the families are around.
He did delivery.
It's a beauty. And it doesn't plug in or anything. It works on...
Thank you, Richard.
It's a nice bag.
Happy first, this is a maid card. Happy first birthday.
No more pictures, Tom.
It sounds right. Artist right.
No more pictures.
What do you have?
Why?
I was requested to tell you that.
We all get a number?
All right, come on.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody, like, come here.
Oh,
Joe, sit down. No, Richard, sit over here. Richard.
man.
Hey, Jim. Hey, you too.
Hey, Matthew.
Amanda, let Rebecca follow him just for a second. Just wait for 1 second.
Okay. Tip or Michael?
Do me a favor, guys. Just don't play with the balloons behind the base. Amanda, I'll tell you why, so you know. What? Because sometimes, actually, a lot of times,